welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make the most basic element for your soups or sauces, which is demi-glace. Demi-glace is basically made of a reduced veal stock to an almost syrupy consistency. So we're gonna be making our veal stock first, and then we go to a long reducing process. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Let's begin. To make a rich and brown veal stock, place all the veal shanks and bones in a baking tray and roast them on a preheated oven at 250 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, peel and slice the onions and set them aside. We're gonna saute them later on. Cut the rest of the vegetables in big chunks and make sure to wash them afterward. After 30 minutes, take the bones out of the oven and transfer them into a big pot. Deglaze the baking tray with red wine and put it back into the oven for 5 minutes, and then add it into the pot. After washing the vegetables, place them onto baking trays along with tomatoes and garlics, and roast them on a preheated oven at 250 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Add the olive oil in a pan and caramelize the onions for 10 minutes on a medium heat. For a better result, keep the lid on. Add tomato paste and bake it for extra 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the red wine and let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients into the pot. Add the roasted vegetables along with thyme, bay leaves, black peppercorn and onion mixture into the big pot. Last but not least, add 10 liters of water into the pot and bring it to a boil. And here's the deal, let it simmer for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take all the stuffs out of the pot and pour the veal stock through a fine sieve. To remove the fat, divide it into small containers and keep them in your fridge overnight. The day after, you can easily remove the fat. At this point, you have a very nice and flavorful veal stock. If you want to have a demi-glace, put it back into the pot and reduce it by half. I ended up having 2 liters of demi-glace, but here's the thing, if you want to use it as a base for a soup or a stew, just keep it this way. But if you want to use it straight away as a sauce, add a small quantity of it in a saucepan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you have a very tasty and syrupy glaze.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.